on multiplication and division. We take two integers which are having the same sign, minus 3 and minus 2. Two integers have the same sign, minus 3 into minus 2. We need to do operation of minus. Sorry, we need to do operation of multiplication. So let's multiply this both. So 3 into 2, we take the numerical values and multiply both. 3 2s are 6, and see the operation multiplication. So minus into minus, when they are having two signs of same, two integers having the same sign, and when we are multiplying them, minus into minus, it becomes plus. So plus 6. This is the first operation we have done. So if a number is having the minus sign and multiplied by minus, so we'll be getting the sign of plus for that after multiplication of those two numbers. So if we take what we understood from here, if we take two integers and having the same sign, minus and minus, we'll be getting the plus sign for it after multiplication of those two numbers. So if we take the two positive integers, for example, plus 3 into plus 2, then what we have discussed earlier, the two numbers having the same sign, minus minus, will be getting plus. In a similar manner, we'll be getting plus symbol here. 3 2s are 6, and plus symbol, plus into plus. Plus is multiplied with plus. So we'll be getting the result of plus only. So this is the second operation we have done. So two numbers can have the same sign, we'll be getting plus symbol, and these are minus, minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is also plus. So two numbers having the same sign, we'll be getting the same symbol of plus. Either it is minus values or plus values, we are getting the same value of plus. Let's see the operation between two numbers which are having the different sign. These two integers having the different sign, that is, one is a plus value and another one is minus value. When we multiply this both, we will be getting the minus sign, that is minus of 6. So plus sign and minus sign, plus into minus, it becomes 6. So what we understood here, that is the plus sign multiplied with minus sign, the resultant part is minus sign. Similarly, the fourth part is also seen. The two first number is having the minus symbol, the second number is having the plus symbol, and we'll be getting the minus sign. So what we understood from this multiplication of integers, and two numbers having the same sign, minus into minus is plus, and also plus into plus is also plus. So here, and two numbers having a different sign, plus and minus, and we'll be getting the result of minus symbol. And then minus into minus, minus into plus is minus, and plus into minus is also minus. So the two numbers have the same sign, it is plus, and two numbers have a different sign, it is minus. So this is the multiplication of integers. So let's recall briefly about the signs. Plus into plus is plus, minus into minus, it is also plus. The second case, one of the number is having the plus sign and another number is having the minus sign, it will be minus. The resultant part, the minus sign into plus sign is also minus. So what we have discussed up to now is two signs, two same signs will be getting the plus sign only when we multiply two integers. So So the same signs will be getting the plus symbol, minus into minus plus. They are having the different signs, we'll be getting minus, and the different signs will be getting minus value. This is the operation of integers on when we have got the two integers. And three integers we have got. For example, plus is multiplied with minus, multiplied by minus. In this case, first we'll multiply first we'll multiply any two of the signs, either this two or this two. Let's take any two signs from it. That is minus into minus. So as we know, minus into minus is plus. So let's multiply this both. So plus will be getting after multiplication of these two signs. Then here we got there is a plus symbol. Plus symbol. So plus into plus is also plus. So in this manner, the integers are more than 2 and we'll do any two of them. And after getting the sign of it, then we'll multiply with the third sign. So finally we'll be getting the result of that sign. So this is the multiplication of integers. If two integers are more than two integers, we have got with us. Let's see the division, operation of integers on division. Operation of integers on the division will follow the same process what we have followed in the multiplication part. Division. Let's take the division in place of all the multiplications. Division. As we got here, two integers having the same sign will be getting same integer, same sign, that is plus, and plus divided by plus is plus, and minus divided by minus is plus, and again plus divided by minus is minus, and minus divided by plus is minus. So in this manner we'll be getting the operation of integers on division. So when two signs are the same, we'll be getting the same sign when we divide the operation of two integers. So here the same as it is, and two signs are different, we'll be getting minus. Two operations are two signs are different, and we'll be getting minus symbol here. In this manner, we'll do the operation of integers on division. So up to now we have discussed about operation of integers, multiplication and division. Taking an example, plus divided by plus is plus, minus divided by minus is plus, plus divided by minus is minus, and minus divided by plus is minus. Earlier we had discussed about these all the signs of integers under division. So here, if we take one example for this, if we are having two numbers having the same sign of plus, that is plus 15 divided by plus 3. So plus divided by plus will be getting the same sign, that is first plus 15 divided by plus 3. So plus divided by plus is we know is plus. So we try plus symbol, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So result of 15 divided by 3 is 5. So let's take the next one, that is minus divided by minus. If two numbers are having the same sign, minus 15 divided by minus 3. So we'll be getting minus of 15 by minus 3. So as we know that here minus divided by minus is plus. So let's write the plus symbol, and we will divide numerical values. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So plus 5. Next one is the two numbers having a different sign. So it's plus 15 divided by minus 3. The next one is minus 15 divided by plus 3. So divided by minus 3 and minus 15 divided by plus 3. So when we divide these two numbers which are having a different sign, we'll be getting minus as a result. So plus divided by minus is minus and minus divided by plus is minus, and when we divide these two numbers, there is 15 by 3 is 5 and 15 by 3 is 5. So in this manner, we'll take the division of integers under, and in this manner, we'll take the division of integers. Earlier we have discussed about the natural numbers. Natural numbers are starts with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The counting numbers which are starting with 1 we call as natural numbers, and natural numbers are denoted by capital N. And we know that natural numbers along with the 0 are called as whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W. Positive numbers along with the 0 and negative numbers are called integers. Integers are denoted by Z or I. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So these are the negative numbers. So what we have discussed up to now is natural numbers starts with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are denoted by capital N, and natural numbers along with the 0 are called as whole numbers, and the positive numbers and along with the 0 and negative numbers are called as integers. Integers are denoted by Z or capital I. So this is a picture of natural numbers and whole numbers and integers. So what we can say here that natural numbers is subset of whole numbers and whole numbers is subset of integers, and finally natural numbers is also subset of integers, and natural numbers subset of whole numbers is also subset of integers. So all the natural numbers are present in whole numbers and all the whole numbers are present in integers. So let's write that relation. Natural numbers numbers are subset of whole numbers and whole numbers are subset of integers. So all the natural numbers are present in whole numbers and all the whole numbers are present in integers. So that's the reason we have written here, and is subset of W and W is subset of Z. So up to now we have discussed all the picture of natural numbers and whole numbers and Z. Let's go to the next concept, absolute value of integers. Take any one of the integer and find the value of it. Magnitude like minus 3. If we find the magnitude of minus 3, that is only 3 because we will not consider the value of sign of it. So if we take the magnitude of minus 5, it is 5 only. So magnitude is nothing but the value of it, the value, numerical value of it, excluding the sign of the number. So absolute value of minus 3 is plus 3 and absolute value of minus 5 is plus 5. If we take the absolute value of positive number or value of a positive number always positive. So that's the reason we're getting absolute value of 10 is only 10 and absolute value of 0 is also 0. So what we discussed here is absolute value is nothing but the numerical value of a number. So absolute value of any negative number will become the positive. So minus 3, but modulus of minus 3 is 3 and modulus of minus 5 is 5 and modulus of 10 is 10 and modulus of 0 value is 0. So the condition is the absolute value of any positive number or 0, the same number exists there. The result of the absolute value of positive number or 0, the same number will get, and absolute value of any negative number will become the positive value of it. So absolute value is nothing but the numerical value of a number, the numerical value of an integer, and excluding or regardless of its sign. So if we take minus 3, modulus of minus 3, it becomes plus 3, and modulus of minus 5 is plus 5, and modulus of 10 is 10, and modulus of 0 is 0. If you take any modulus of any integer like minus 15, modulus of minus 15 will become the 15 only. So this is the concept of absolute value of integers.